I am so happy. I'm going to sing for you guys because I want to give away. I want to give away. I want to give away. I want to give away last week. Yeah, yeah. A boom, bang, bing, and a boom, ping, ping, pickle. I want to give away last week. Yay, yay.
Got the mind of a winner. You don't know the difference. See that hate up in your eyes, little buddy. What you sipping? Oh, you think I'm out of bounds? Then go ahead, blow the whistle. I can't help but turn the heat up. Let 'em watch me sizzle. Try to figure me out. That's a complicated riddle. Got an outside game, and I still can work the middle. Oh, I'm about to blow the speakers. Won't you crank it up a little?
What's going on, all my frag heads and set heads? The champ is here, and I'm gonna tell you what's fragging. What's fragging for the day is that your boy won a giveaway, his first giveaway, and that was from my man Uncommon Sense. Boom, boom, wherever I put him, boom. Go check him out. Great channel. I mean, my man got some fragrances on there you probably never even heard of, and no one is talking about, including this one. I haven't heard of this, so make sure you go follow him. Anyways, so the fragrance I won in the giveaway is Diesel fragrance. I believe it is 0 plus masculine. Now, what I love about this already is that this reminds me of the flower from Beauty and the Beast, right? What is it? The Doom Petal or the Doom Rose? I'm not too sure what it was called. However, this is what it reminds me of, like a rose being inside the glass. You know, doesn't it? No, not okay. Maybe it's just okay. Well, you know what? Anyways, I'll continue. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Well, I already took it out the box, right? But this is just me removing it from its casing and then giving it a first impression. See what I like about it. See what I get from it. So it looks pretty simple. Like all I got to do is twist it. Oh, bam! Crush it, right? Not gonna do that one. It's not a box. Sorry. All right. Take off this little bad boy. Ooh. This smells like. This smells of cinnamon already. I smell cinnamon. So let's see what we get on skin. Bucket ticket. Squirty squirt. Now let that thing just simmer. Let it simmer. Yeah. That's definitely cinnamon. Rose too. At this moment, he becomes too excited. Incredibly excited. I knew it. I knew it. Like the way it was in the casing said it all. Like I said, the flower from Beauty and the Beast. Like, this is rose. This is cinnamon. It's powdery too. It's fairly close to the skin. So from here, I don't get anything. From here, I do though. This is definitely rose, and this is a masculine rose too. So that probably explains it, why it's called 0 plus masculine, and why it's in the casing like that, because it's a masculine rose. Like, I don't get that soft rose like that Bond number 9 rose, or that rose everyone likes in I believe it's Un Soir, the Cartier. And I sure didn't like 1 Million cologne. I didn't like the rose in that one either. But this one here, I can dig. However, it is overpowered by the cinnamon and the vanilla. So I think that kind of subdues the rose, where it doesn't make it so feminine, or, you know, just that, ooh, what does that smell? You know? So far, this is a like. I can definitely see people rocking this in the fall. It reminds me of the fall, like, you know, cozy weather, like getting next to each other. Like, this is definitely going to be one of those fragrances that sit close to the skin. That's sweet. It's floral. I think it's going to get you attention as well. Like, this is definitely going to be Netflix and chill for me. Now, I don't know if I'm going to wear this in the fall, though. I think I just might rock this in the summer. Yes, 120 degrees in Arizona. I think I might rock this just because, like I said, it sits close to the skin. It's not going to irritate you. It's not going to claw you. It's very close to the skin. You know what? This reminds me of a toned down 1 million. Go ahead, start hating. I get it. Oh, it's old. It's cloying. It's too sweet. But 1 million is still a monster in my collection. That is probably like my favorite cologne out of every fragrance that I own. I am not kidding you. When I wear that thing, it's an experience. I mean, so many compliments. I mean, you guys don't even understand. I should record myself one day wearing 1 million. But this seems like a tone down. And I guarantee you, the same notes, I haven't had a chance to look at the notes in this thing because I wanted my review or my first impression to be my first impression. But I guarantee you, if you look at the notes in 1 million in this, it's going to be the same notes. I'm pretty sure it's rose, vanilla, maybe tonka, definitely some cinnamon in there. Yeah, this is 1 million, but for that close encounter. 1 million is more so for the club, the bar, you know, you want that attention, right? You want that sexiness. This is going to be close to the skin sexiness. I can already sense it. I can already feel it. So with that being said, all my frag heads and set heads, go ahead and give a shout out to my man over there at Uncommon Sense. Make sure you check his page out. My man did me a good hookup with this one. This is the first diesel in my collection. I don't own too many rose fragrances, and I believe that this is a rose fragrance. It's cinnamon. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this thing. Thank you, guys. Peace and blessings.